Okay, welcome everyone. On this video we will talk about similar triangles. Two triangles are similar if their angles are congruent and their sides are proportional. So the angles will be congruent. So let's and the sides going to be proportion. We can write a proportion by using their sides. So the angles are same, but as you see, triangles are not. One of them is smaller than the others. Okay. To decide if two triangle similar or not, so there are three properties. First one, angle and angle. If two angles are congruent, so we will call these triangles are similar, such as you see, angle C and angle F. Angle C and angle F are congruent, the first one, and angle B here, let's mark it. Okay, angle B and angle E are congruent. So B congruent to E. If this information given, you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So that's the first one. So the angles are similar. Angles are congruent. Triangles are similar. That's the first. Side similarity. So let's say AB and DF, they are looking similar to me. So if length of the AB over length of the DF, if this is equal, so we are going to write a proportional BC and FE. So length of the BC over length of the FE, and if this one equal to AC over DE, so we can call again triangle ABC similar to triangle DFE. Here be careful, I wrote the congruent angle on order, so angle A and D, so A and D first, so there is little B and F, so B and F, and C and E. When you write similarity, that's important, write in order on the corners. Okay, side angle side. So we have a common side here, but we don't know three sides. We have only this BA and DE, BC and EF. If angle B congruent to angle E and AB over DE, length of the AB over DE, if it's equal BC over EF, so I can say again these two triangles are similar, not congruent, similar, we are talking similarity. So similar triangles, and we write a proportion. As you see, these are proportion, that's another proportion, we are writing proportion. Okay, these are some basics. Let's solve some example. What will we do with that one? There are two questions. Explain why the triangles are similar, then find each length. What is the length? Which length they are asking? They are asking AB, all of these length it's asking. So let's see why these two triangles congruent. Let me show what triangles we are talking about. Triangles ACB, that's a triangle, and triangle AED, that's another triangle. These two triangles, are they similar or not? We need to decide that one. Let's check. I can see this angle A is a common angle. Angle A is a common angle for both triangles. And because of, as you see, these marks mean parallel lines. Because of these parallel lines, angle C and angle AED, these two angles are congruent. So angle AED is congruent with angle ACB. So these two angles are congruent. So here and here we mark angle. We have two common, one of the common angle, the others congruent angle. Because of that, these triangles are similar. Now we show the triangles. So triangles, triangle AED similar to triangle ACB. That's the first root why we wrote that one. Because of the similarity, I can say 6 over AB. So AB, if it's similar, we can write a proportion. 9 over 15. 9 over 15. That's important here. That's one thing important I want to write. When you write a proportion, opposite of the congruent angles, like as you see, opposite of this angle is 6. So I wrote here 6. Then opposite of this angle, as you see, they are congruent angle AB. So I wrote here AB. Then the common angle, there's a 9 and 15, 9 over 15. So you need to decide it by using congruent angles, which sides you will choose. You need to solve this proportion or equation. There is a variable, a length of the AB. Let's make a cross multiplication here. 9 times AB is equal 6 times 15. Sorry. So I will continue from here. 9 times AB is equal 6 times 15. 6 times 15 is 90. So 9 times AB is equal 90 divided by 9 divided by 9. So this will be 1 AB. So length of the AB is equal 90 divided by 9 is 10. So our result, the answer is 10. It's asking AB and we find the AB. Oh, sorry, let's start that one here. So let's shrink it here. So we find the AB. The first one, AB, it was AB and it's here. Now let's see the other question. Again, there are parallel lines, and as we know, on a parallel line, alternate interior angles are congruent. So these are congruent first. And I can say these are vertical angles and they are congruent. Now and of course, let's continue another color. These angles again congruent too. Now I decided congruent. Because of the angles are congruent, triangles are similar. So what is the question? WX. WY. So WY, the question asking about what's the length of the WY. Let's say this is X. So opposite of that angle, this is X, over the congruent angle is here, and opposite of this congruent angle, the length is 9. Now, opposite of that angle, the blue one that I marked, 7. Sorry, first I have to write that one because I choose X first. So this triangle I'm writing first. Opposite of this angle, 8.75 over opposite of this angle is 7. So 7 times X is equal 9 times 8.75. Here we need to do some mathematics. 9 times 8.75 is equal 78.75. So 7x equal that one. When you simplify as divide both sides by 7, x equal 11.25. So you need to do mathematics here a little. Simplify 7 divided by 7x and 78.75 divided by 7, 11.25. So we find the value of WY, the length of WY is equal to 11.25. First we find similarity, then we find the missing length. Two more questions, but this question asking about value of x, not length. So let's check. These two triangles are congruent. Why? I can say that's a common angle and we have congruent angles here. Therefore, 3 over PS, so this is 3 plus x, it's equal 4 over, that's 4 over x plus 5. So if you do cross multiplication, 3x plus 15 is equal 4x plus 12. Here you can subtract both sides at 3x, 15 equal x plus 12 minus 12 minus 12. If you take away 12 both sides, x will be equal 3. So x equal 3, the first one. Let's continue second question. In this question, these lines are given as parallel lines. Because these lines are parallel, these angle and these angle are congruent, and that angle and that angle are congruent. Now I can write an equation. So opposite of this angle 2x minus 2 over opposite of this angle 15, and it's equal opposite of this angle x plus 9 over opposite of this angle 20. So I find the equation as to cross multiplication here. 40x minus 40, it's equal 15x plus 15 times 9 is equal 135. So if you subtract 15 from the bottom side, 15x 30 minus 15x 25x minus 40, it's equal 135. If you add 40 both sides, 25x equal 175. Divide by 25, divide by 25. So x equal 175 divided by 25 is 7. So x equals 7, and that's the end of this video. So we will use this similarity to decide if the given triangles are similar, and then we will find some missing lengths and some variables sometimes. Thanks for listening.